Hey guys, I am Samarth, welcoming you all to the YouTube channel Only Technology. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download Python onto a PC. So let's start. Okay, so first head to your favorite browser and then here just need to search Python, and okay, so just click on enter, and here just click on the first link, welcome to python.org. Okay, so here on the downloads tab you just need to click on download for Windows Python, whatever the version is, and just locate where you want to install the installer, and then okay, let's download, wait it for downloading, and then the installer has been downloaded. You just need to click, and now you just need to click on install now, but make sure to check both these boxes, these are important. So now click on install now. Okay, so let's wait for that Python can be run. Okay, so it's installing, and okay, congrats, the Python setup was successful and it has been installed. And I'll just close this Chrome tab, and then I'll just open cmd command prompt to check whether Python has been installed. Okay, so cmd, that's command prompt, and then click on enter, and then you just to type in Python, and okay, Python hyphen version. Okay, so just click on enter, and then here you can see the Python version. If it doesn't show here, then you have not installed the Python correctly. Okay, so now we are going to actually run programs using Python. Here we are going to use Visual Studio Code. If you don't know how to install Visual Studio Code, here you can see the link, just click on it and see the whole video. Okay, the Visual Studio Code has been launched, and let's wait for a while. And now you just need to go to the extensions tab onto the Visual Studio Code's tabs, and you search Python. Okay, so now you can see the Python extension. You just need to click on install. You just can see this all in details and click on install. Okay, so the Python extension is installing, and let's wait for a while. Okay, so the Python extension has been installed. You just need to click on open folder, and just close it, open folder, and just make a new folder wherever you want to make. I will make it on desktop, and I'll just name it Python, okay, Visual Studio Code projects. And yes, now I'll just click on select folder and then restart the Visual Studio Code. Okay, waiting, and okay, there was some error, and yes, the Visual Studio Code, I have relaunched the Visual Studio Code. And now you just need to click on the new file, and then I'll just name it, and you have to name it test.py. They don't forget to include the .py because it's the binary code for Python. And then I just write here print hello world. Okay, hello world, and then just click on this run button. Okay, so congrats, you have wrote your first Python program, and now you have successfully installed Python onto your PC. Here you can see hello world program has been run successfully. And yes, so if you are not seeing this hello world and is there some error, you just need to see your interpreter, and to do that just click on interpreter and search your interpreter, and just click on it. And now I'll just write one more print statement, that's print thanks for watching. Okay, so that's a bit funny, but yes, I'll just click on run again, and here it should print thanks for watching. Yes. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope it proved to be informative for you, and you can learn to code with Python. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.